Okay, so we're going to be doing a video on penalty shooter. Okay, and he missed. No, I was trying to get it in. Okay, so guys, it's me first. And you can see the ball there. Okay, Louis. Okay, you're in goal. Alright. You guys have to decide if it went in. Where's the ball? Okay, now it's Louis' own shot. We have to, if you miss this, Louis, then we're gonna just play a game of football. We're gonna play this until someone wins. So I'll go further back. Okay, guys, it's Louis' goal now. Sorry, I have to do this because I'm on the ground. Okay, so Louis. Is it there to there? Yeah. And Louis smashes it in to the other team. Watching back, guys. See you later, guys.